extra. Bij Kazu. Now is we are cleaning the frame. It was out for a long time and it is with alcohol. And we only need to clean really two spots. So this part goes. Glove on glove. If we're going to clean the O-ring through, then we put in the O-ring and then we'll turn around the corner, clean the underside of fibers. Then we remove the side covers and then we can get ready for insertion. Better like this, no?
Thank you for that movement. Yeah, it's better.
We're now putting all the seals there and taking a picture of the seals because that's what was requested. And then there's this spacer we have to put back. Yes. Wait.
I was going to suggest you disconnect and reconnect.
Okay.
But
we
can move, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, there is a lot of rain from this side. Okay.
The inside of the bellow is the outside of the vacuum. So
Yeah.
it's better.
No, okay, but there's some small particle, but okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's okay. Looks much better.
Yeah, much better. 30 centimeter.
Okay, because here it's quite close to the nuts.
Push a bit if you want. Push.
Okay.
Right. Go down a bit. Okay.
Okay, stop.
It's fine.
Yeah, it's okay. I pass it, but push down a bit. Yes, okay, do that. Okay, bottom looks fine, yes.
You can put a bit.
Wait, yes. Okay. Maybe Raphael, we can go down a bit because we're almost touching at the top on my side, but at the bottom we have like 2 centimeters.
You see that we're touching the.
Yeah, I see too. How is it? The bottom?
Ah, okay.
No, no, it's okay.
Around. Nice. Is it okay if we touch something?
Can we go down like a little bit more? No, Raphael needs to go. Raphael needs to go down. No, a little bit. More. Yes. Little bit, little bit, little bit. Little bit more. Yeah. Much until you hear something. Like this, huh? Okay. Pull. Push down.
Yeah. Yes.
What is that sound?
Yep. Easy, steady.
Yeah. Okay. Yes. It pass.
Okay. Now I'm almost touching.
Can work now, huh?
Yes, a little bit. I go up.
The ball are touching your side, huh?
No,
Not the ball.
not real, almost. Okay, maybe by hand. I think we need to go up. Okay, it's going in a bit. No, here. No, but there is also touching. But it's almost there. A bit, no, it's a bit. We're almost there, but almost. We need 1 centimeter it's struggling.
A bit of tension,
Okay, with
maybe.
tension.
Yeah.
Okay. It's so good. How you like my butt?
Proper.